Hey everyone, want to create eye-catching slow motion videos right from your phone? In this guide, I'll show you how to capture slow motion video using your smartphone camera. Open the camera applications. This is the default application used for capturing photos and videos, and it usually comes pre-installed on all smartphones. Once the app is open, take a moment to explore the interface. Next, look for the More option or Additional Modes menu, typically located at the bottom or side of the screen depending on your device. Tap on it to reveal a list of extra camera features available on your phone. From this menu page, find and select the Slow Motion or Slow-Mo mode. Once activated, your camera will automatically adjust settings such as frame rate to capture smooth, detailed, slow motion footage. Now position your camera toward the subject you want to record. For best results, ensure good lighting and keep your phone steady. Using a tripod can improve stability. Tap the record button and capture your video. Movements like running water, jumping, or fast actions work especially well in slow motion. After recording, you can preview the clip and even edit the slow motion effect directly within your gallery on most devices. And that's how you create stunning slow motion videos in just a few steps. Catch you in the next one more smart tips and tricks coming soon.